Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Gemaline and I am thrilled to meet you. I hold a degree in political science from Cagayan State University, Lalo campus, had earned my education, unit in education at Pan Pacific University or the NETA campus. I am also currently pursuing my master's degree in education from Northeastern College and all from the Philippines. I am a certified educator with TEFEL and TESOL certificate. I am also a licensed professional teacher here in my country, Philippines. I choose to teach ESL because I am passionate about breaking down my communication barriers and helping students find their global voice. My specialty lies in grammar, where I focus on making complex concepts out simple. Outside of the classroom, I love watching documentaries and international news that helps me gather information that I can also share to my students. I look forward to helping you reach your goals. Thank you. Bye for now.